The Reformation Wilda Kitten Mules in Mirror Metallic are a striking blend of modern sophistication and timeless elegance. These mules are crafted from high-quality cowhide leather, giving them a luxurious feel and a sleek, polished finish. The mirror metallic leather not only adds a touch of glamour, but also reflects light beautifully, making these shoes a standout accessory for any ensemble. Their pointed toe design enhances their chic aesthetic, elongating the leg and adding a refined touch to your overall look. What truly sets the Wilda Kitten Mules apart is their thoughtful and sustainable production. These shoes are produced via carbon-neutral manufacturing, reflecting Reformation's commitment to environmentally responsible fashion. This attention to ethical production makes them not just a stylish choice, but a conscious one as well. By choosing these mules, you're supporting a brand that values both style and sustainability, ensuring that your fashion choices have a positive impact on the planet. The kitten heel is another defining feature of the Wilda Mules, providing just the right amount of lift while maintaining comfort throughout the day or night. This subtle yet elegant heel makes these mules incredibly versatile, perfect for transitioning from the office to an evening out with ease. The leather sole, complemented by a rubber heel cap, ensures durability and stability, allowing you to walk confidently on any surface. Imported from Brazil, the Reformation Wilda Kitten Mules are a testament to the brand's dedication to quality craftsmanship and timeless design. Whether paired with a sleek dress for a formal occasion or dressed down with jeans for a more casual look, these mules add a touch of sophistication and modernity to any outfit. The mirror metallic finish provides a unique twist on a classic style, making these mules a must-have accessory for the fashion-forward individual who appreciates both luxury and sustainability.